We've all been there. You're this close to finishing your article, report, or that novel you swear you'll publish someday, and then disaster strikes. Word crashes, your screen goes dark, and your masterpiece gone. Or is it? Today, I'm revealing one hidden Windows folder that could save your unsaved Word file. No magic, no paid software. Let's rescue that document. Here is a Word document, in which I wrote the company's performance review report, for the first quarter of 2025, which was due to be submitted to the board of directors. After completing the report and formatting it, I didn't notice that Autosave was disabled, and I didn't save the Word file. Now, I'll close the Word file, using the Task Manager, to close it suddenly. Let's see how we can recover the file, without losing any of its data. Deep in your computer's hidden folders, Word stashes temporary copies of your work, even if you never hit save. Here's how to find them. 1. Open File Explorer. 2. Select C partition. 3. Select the user's folder. 4. Select the folder with the name of the user you are working on. 5. Select the folder named AppData. Wait. This folder's hidden. Let's fix that. Click the View tab at the top of the window, select Options, and then click Change Folder and search Options. From the window that appears, click on the View tab, then select the Show Hidden Files and Folders option, then click Apply, then OK. And voila! The AppData folder appears. Now let's continue our path. 6. Open the AppData folder. 7. Select and open the Roaming folder. 8. Select and open the Microsoft folder. 9. Select and open the Word folder. You'll find mysterious files with strange names, such as Auto Recovery Save of Document 1.asd. These are drafts saved automatically in Word. If you find many files, sort the folder by Date Modified to find the most recent file. Right-click it, select Open with a Word, and then thank God. After it opens, you're assured that all your data is in the Word file, and that everything is fine. Save it immediately before Word panics and deletes it again. And just like that, crisis averted. Before we wrap up, let's quickly cover a couple of preventive tips to save you from this stress in the future. 1. The files inside the Word folder vanish after a few days, so act fast. 2. Enable Autosave. If you're working on important documents, consider enabling Autosave in Microsoft Word. 3. Regular backups. Use cloud storage services like OneDrive or Google Drive for real-time backups. 4. Save frequently. It might sound basic, but hit that save button often. In the end, a little preventive measure goes a long way in protecting your work. And that's it. Recovering your unsaved Word file is as simple as navigating to your AppData folder, opening the temporary file, and saving it with a new name. If you found this tip useful, hit the like button, leave a comment sharing your own recovery stories or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech tips. What other hidden features would you like us to explore? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.